In this 15-minute long video, Ed Lawrence talked about how YouTube changed his life after a 30 days challenge of posting 2 videos every week. He went on to making over $349,000 on YouTube in 30 days. That is amazing, isn't it? And in this video, there are a couple of things he said that stood out for me. 4 big things from these that are going to help you create your very own YouTube shortcut so that you do not have to post twice a week like he did. First thing is something he said that he even knew before he started the 30 days challenge. And the thing is, quality is always better than trying to maintain a posting schedule which is going to get you stuck on a hamster wheel. The video that grew his business and his channel were the ones he put in some effort into creating, and not the hurried ones he just made up just as fast as he could. So to get the result from your own shortcut, you will need to focus on quality, not just posting speed, which does not equal good result. Now, the next lesson he was talking about was that the YouTube analytics can sometimes make you feel overwhelmed because the metrics you are looking at does not always correspond to the particular result you were planning to get from the beginning. This can lead you to feeling disappointed, but if you give it just a little time, it starts to get a lot of views and you start to hit your target. However, these results might be coming a little bit late, but then it's YouTube. It is what it is. The next lesson he learned was he was trying to just open his camera and start talking without scripting down his video idea, without planning what he intended to say on camera. He discovered that this method of creating content didn't save him time at all. He spent so much time trying to record the video without a script, and then because he didn't have any script at all, his video editors also spent so much time trying to put the video together, which didn't come out well as he has always wanted. At the end of the day, he had to re-edit the videos by himself, making him spend so much time on just one video. So something that would have saved him so much time if he had planned his video properly and if he had written a script before hitting record. However, he have no regret whatsoever because the video went on to do so well on his YouTube channel. So what do you do? Script or no script? These have been a debate for a very long time. However, just speak what works best for you and stick with it. But for him, that is Ed Lawrence, he said he would prefer writing any day because writing is the most powerful skill in the world, and if you are good at it, it is transferable because it impacts your social media, it impacts your sales pages, it impacts your email marketing, and it will just earn you more money and grow you everywhere you find yourself if only you master it. And some people will say they are not natural on camera if they are using a script and they don't want to use a teleprompter. Yeah, I've also heard that before too, but nobody is good when they start. It's a normal thing. And the final lesson is that the shortcut for YouTube does actually exist, and I found it, and it looks like this. All you have to do is to put out quality content that hopefully is so good it makes people go like, wow, I can't get that anywhere else. I am coming back to this channel. But how do you do that in a way that it is faster and easier? Well, pay attention to this graph. So that line that is red and is going up is the time and energy you put in the beginning of your YouTube journey. You are going to have to put in a lot of time and effort into this. But what happens is as you repeat what works, as you build systems, as you work on formats that you can just do over and over again, you start to get so much faster at making them. And what that means is the shortcut happens right here after you have made a lot of videos and figure out all of the things that I just said earlier. But trying to avoid the whole pain of content creation altogether is not possible. I don't think anyone with any level of success on YouTube has ever avoided it. Truth is, if you want to be the best you have ever been on YouTube, you have to work 12 hours a day. For me, I choose to do more so I can actually have a lot more.